Hey guys, it's Tisha here with the Creative Urban Woman, and I wanted to just let you know about this new product that I just launched in my store. So I just did one the other day, and now I've launched another business kit inside of the Creative Urban Woman. So just go to creativeurbanwoman.com and you can go ahead and check it out. Go to the shop page. So let me go ahead and do it for you here, and you will see the Phenomenal Woman's Business Builder book kit. So this is the Phenomenal Woman, and it's got three very powerful books in here for your audience: a financial planner, a productivity planner, and then a journal notebook. And I just want to show you what all this is in this kit. It's on sale right now, and after the month is over, it's going off sale because this takes an awful lot to do. But you're going to get three editable books. You'll be editing those inside of Canva. So you'll have three editable books. One, again, is the financial planner, the productivity planner, and then the journal notebook. You're also going to get the author's website. So you'll have your very own website. I'm going to show you what these look like here in a minute. You're going to have lifetime publishing rights. I give you step-by-step guidance on how to, upload things, how to create your author's account in KDP or on Amazon's platform. I show you everything you need so that all you need to do is just edit it to your brand and publish it. That's it. You're going to get social media graphics so that you can use to help you to market your books. And then I just added in this kit, I want to see how this goes, a little bonus here, and that is the book patch, KDP and book patch product descriptions. So you can use them for both, but they are detailed product descriptions, especially for the financial kit because that has or book because that has so many different pages that are in there. So it's going to be all you really need to do is copy and paste it. I mean, you can tweak it, but you should just be able to copy and paste it. So that way it makes you to easily to implement this thing. Everything is compatible for you with KDP and the book patch to make it whole easier. The financial planner is 8.5 by 11, but the productivity and the journal notebooks are 6 by 9. And then, yeah, all you'll need to do is personalize those there. And so this is what each of those books look like. This site only holds so many pictures, so I have to pick and choose, but you're going to get, go back, you're going to get the book for KDP, and then you're going to also get the documents or the cover, I should say, to upload into the book patch so that you can have this spiral because Amazon doesn't offer spiral. So if you want to offer your clients spiral, they'll be able to do the book on Amazon or order it from the book patch for the spiral. Okay. And that's going to be available on all three different books there. Let me just kind of show you what your website looks like. So this is what the website looks like. And again, everything is customizable. So if you don't like the color, then you can go in and change the color. If you don't like the background, you can do that. But this is made so that you don't have to do anything. You just need to actually add your social media. You're going to link your social media um, things there so that way, or links there so that way, all people need to do is just click within your site. You're going to link your Amazon authors page if you create one so that they can go and they can see all of the books that you have. You're going to edit your name. Let's see here. This is something I really, really love about this. It is a video and it's going to show the people who click exactly what those pages look like. So you can kind of see that running through, and then each section here has a little description. So that is one of the cool and neat things about this website. You're also getting what the customers are saying. You're going to get a little bit to add a little bit about you. You can add your picture in here. And I'm running Zoom at the same time, so everything's taking a little bit to load. But this is, the Phenomenal Woman series. And so you're going to put your name here. These are the books. These are where you're going to add your individual links to the book. So if they just say, oh, I want the productivity planner, they can just click on that and go straight to the productivity planner. Or if they want the spiral, they can just click on the spiral and take it straight to the book patch, and then they can order that spiral there. You'll be able to customize down here as well to add your email address and your website information. Let's go ahead and take a look at the financial planner. I just want to let you know what that looks like. And again, everything is customizable. So, I have this here message here, but you can change that. You definitely want to put your name. Some of these have, or this has, quotes, but you can change those quotes up, and then you have financial goals, networks, credit score trackers, insurance trackers, debt to income ratio, schedule of your personal debt, paying off debt. You can do the snowball method, or you can do the avalanche method. You can do uh, uh, your schedule here again of how you're paying them off. So you can check whichever box. Savings trackers, emergency fund trackers, donation trackers. And then you have your monthly financial planner, another, again, quote there that you can change out. And then you have calendars here, monthly calendars. It's undated so that you can, just add dates if you need to. But I like undated. Some people do, some people don't, but it allows you to be able to purchase this at any time of the year and be able to use it on a rolling year. Monthly budget trackers, so you can record so for each month, you've got this calendar, you've got this tracker, and you've got, budget reflections, what you did well on, what you need to work on. You got spend challengers, and then the review on that, and then you have notes. So that's what you're going to see for each and every month, those 4 or 5 pages there for each month in a rolling year. And then at the bottom here is a bunch of financial note pages so that you can, just make some general notes that are going on there. And then for the graphics. So this is what the financial planner graphics, most of the graphics look this way. You're at least going to have these pages are standard to show you coming soon. And again, you can copy these and then put the spiral if you want, on here right there. I just have that one. Spiral I have here, for this one. And then Amazon is not spiral. So that's what that Amazon, but it's got all of that here. Now, when it becomes available, get your copy today. You can use this as teasers, it's coming soon. And then, meet your author, share a little bit about you, your book review. And this is going to be something that is there for all three of those books. Okay. And so includes 100 pages. And then for this one, it shows you, you can also use these as well for your marketing efforts to show you what's inside of the financial planner. And then here's just a little bit about, so you have this, for your graphics, these are there. But then towards the bottom, you've got some, some other graphics that you can use. They may change according to the book. This one I came across a lot. So I did a lot for this one. So this one's got like 20 something pages, but guaranteed to have you 10, but this one has a couple more. So you may find that I have more in one, and but I'll always give you what I told you I was going to give you. So Amazon's taking a bit to come up. So yeah, so you've got that. Um, I need to take that out. I don't know what that is. Oh, okay. The picture didn't change, so I don't know what that is. Let me try to do something here. Oh, that's what that is. Get rid of that. And then yeah, so and then that's the end of that. So that's for the financial planner. And you're gonna have again these graphics and everything, especially these 4 or 5 of them, 6, 7. It's gonna look the same there, but different books, right? And you can put your pictures in there so that you can, brand you. Of course, everything is changeable, but the whole point is that have ease and that you don't have to do all that work. So that's the financial planner. Here's the productivity planner. This is what that looks like inside. So you need to create a hi there page if that's what you want. And then these are what the pages look like for that 52 weeks. So this is week 1. And then these are the days of that week. Stay side by side. And that's how it goes. At the end, there is a thank you page. This is about the journal author. Oh, need this to say planner. Sometimes you're doing this stuff and you're like, you do, and you're like, let me change that up. So then you can look write again a little bit about yourself, your website, and your email address as well, and then your picture. So that's for that. And then for the line journal, it's the same thing. You know, it's just lines, and then at the end, you've got a thank you page where you can brand your company, your information there with your social media handles. So that is what's in here. This is going to be a really exciting kit. This is going to get you off the ground. If this is something that you're looking to, promote to help you to build your business, if you're a coach, if you're a financial coach, this is great. If you are a boss builder, you just building up, you want to be a book coach, this is something that you can use. You get 3 books, a website, the descriptions, the ability to upload the spiral and to KDP. So you're getting a lot. And right now it's on sale. I don't even know if I'm going to be able to do this again because it's a lot of work. And, it's just a lot of work. So this is really a steal right now. Anyway, want to go give you a heads up and let you know that this new product is in on my site. And so go to creativeurbanwoman.com, and then go to shop. All right, guys, I will talk to you later. Take care. God bless.